you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
How you doing, man?
I'm alright.
I can't complain either, man. What you running in here?
4 PSI, platform 5, 18, on 4 Soundigital 12Ks, and 720 amp hour C-Max.
You got plenty of it in here.
Yeah, and JP amps on the mids and highs. I got all def box mids and highs. Cooking with Team Headway hurt.
Yeah.
that 720 keep that thing at about 15.4. It don't go no low.
You got what?
It didn't go no low. That's a 480 and a 240. So it's 720 amp hours.
Oh yeah, you got more than you need. Okay. Yeah, that's the way you do it. That's the way you do it. Yeah. Yeah, man. Let them know where they can find you at on social media anywhere.
All right. I'm on Tommy Dooley on Facebook and Anderson, South Carolina, and we're on Team Headway Hurt page. I run Bass Outlaws, Bass Wars. That's about it, really. It's the 04 Chevrolet Tahoe. Be looking out for. I got a 97 OBS coming soon.
You gonna be in a no wall there?
Gonna be a no wall 615.
Oh, you going in the bed with it?
Oh yeah, two Pitbull 20K.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
Are you going all the way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we don't try to halfway it.
Yeah, you don't need it, is it?
Yeah.
Man, it was good seeing you, bro.
Too, man.
I appreciate it, man.
All right. Yeah, I'll get the good dog back.
All right. I know right there. I'm right there. Oh, yeah. Right there, bro. I appreciate it, man.
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.